Let's unbox this together. I am so excited. Gege vasimimbo anemakpa chai. Ogonode ogonode who the check am. All right. So this just arrived, and honestly, I have been waiting for this moment. If you know me, then you know how much I love cooking and creating content. But sometimes the right tools makes all the difference. This package may not look like much on the outside, but inside it's a big step for me. You see, every upgrade matters, from the way I cook to how I present my food to the quality of video I bring to you all. This is part of the process. Look at how solid the pot is. Exactly what I wanted. Okay. No more old cookware or struggling to get the perfect finish. This right here is going to level up my food content, better cooking, better presentation, and of course, better meals for all my farm clients too. Okay, because behind every beautiful dish you see online, there is investment, consistency, and a whole lot of behind the scenes effort. And this is me investing in my growth. So get ready, because what's coming next is better recipes, better visuals, and premium food content. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to BT Culinary Academy for more videos, more recipes. So let's cook, create, and grow together. Bye.